Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A5 versus the A7. Let's start with their distinct designs. The A5 presents a more compact and athletic profile, available as a coupe, convertible, or sportback. In contrast, the A7 boasts a longer, more elegant four-door coupe shape, emphasizing luxury and presence. While both share Audi's sophisticated design language, their overall proportions cater to different aesthetic preferences and practical needs. Moving to performance, the Audi A5 commonly features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. The A7, however, often comes equipped with a more robust 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, providing significantly more horsepower and quicker acceleration. Both vehicles offer Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive and precise handling, ensuring a confident and engaging driving experience, regardless of your engine choice. Inside, both the A5 and A7 exemplify Audi's commitment to luxury and technology. The A5 offers a driver-centric cockpit, feeling snug and sporty, with high-quality materials throughout. The A7 provides a more expansive and opulent cabin, featuring advanced infotainment systems and greater rear passenger comfort. Both models integrate intuitive controls and premium finishes, ensuring a sophisticated and comfortable environment for all occupants. When considering practicality and value, the A5 typically presents a more accessible entry point with a lower starting price, making it an attractive option for those seeking a sporty luxury car. The A7, while a larger investment, offers enhanced rear passenger space and a more generous cargo area thanks to its sportback design. For those prioritizing everyday utility and a touch more luxury, the A7 delivers. Be sure to check the description for a link to these leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.